In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2013 through 2015 Chevrolet Spark. To open this key fob, all you'll need is a screwdriver. Your first step will be to push the button and release the key. Once you've done that, you'll just take your thumb, put pressure, and pop open the back panel. Once you have the back panel open, you'll see the battery is located here. You may need to use this small screwdriver to help pop the old battery out carefully. Once you have the old battery out, you'll replace it using a CR2032 battery. To replace it, just slide the new battery back in. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Once you have the new battery back in, you can snap the back panel back on and close the key. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.